Healthy uses for hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide may seem old-fashioned in its dowdy brown bottle, but it's definitely not a natural home remedy. It's a household chemical. It differs from water only by the addition of one extra oxygen molecules, but that extra molecules turn into a powerful oxidizer. It's the reason hydrogen peroxide is such a versatile cleanser, and it's also a reason you need to use it casually on people and pets. You need to use it cautiously on people and pets. Hydrogen peroxide breaks down quickly and easily when it comes into contact with air or water, so it's considered safer than chlorine chemical. Number 1. Clean your dishwasher. To eliminate mold and mildew in your dishwasher, spray the intrinsic parts of your dishwasher where moisture can linger long after a cycle is complete. In the pleats for rubber, steel, traps and sleeves of the utensils basket, a 2016 study sources of residential dishwasher found that 83% of the dishwashers they tested were positive for fungi, and 47% of dishwasher tests contained the black yeast E. dermatitis, which can be harmful to humans. E. dermatitis was detected primarily at the dishwasher rubber seal. Number 2. Scrub your sink. Many home care blogs recommend this trick to clean your kitchen sink. Wet the surface of your sink, then scrub it with the baking soda sprinkled onto a sponge. When you have scrubbed the whole surface, pour 3% hydrogen peroxide over the surface and allow it to sit before rinsing it clean. Number 3. Disinfect counter and cutting boards. According to the Ohio State University Extension, cleaning counter with undiluted hydrogen peroxide is effective at killing E. coli and salmonella bacteria on hard surfaces like counters when it's allowed to sit on the surface for 10 minutes at room temperature. Number 4. Wash veggies and extend their shelf life. Organic gardeners recommend using using 1/4 cup of 3% hydroxide peroxide per gallon of water to help remove bacteria from vegetables. If you are washing delicate skin vegetable like lettuce, just soak for 20 minutes and then rinse. Number 5. Score cookware. If your cookie sheet, pots and pan have a baked on layer of brown Jill nutshell of the block, one good thing recommends sprinkling them with baking soda, then spritzing the soda with 3% hydrogen peroxide will restore them. Allow them to soak for 1 to 3 hours before wiping off the mess. Number 6. Get rid of garbage can germ. After washing the garbage can with soap and water, spray the whole container with a 1:1 solution of hydrogen peroxide and water. Let the trash cans sun dry for several hours. Just a peroxide cleans surfaces. It's help remove germs from your trash. Number 7. Shine mirror and glass surfaces. Spray a 1:1 solution of water and hydrogen peroxide onto glass surfaces. Then wipe with paper towels, a line-free cloth or newspapers for a stake-free clean. Number 8. Kill mold and mildew. Mold and mildew can build up quickly in the moist environment of a shower stall. To kill them without having to break in toxic bleach foams, spray with undiluted 3% of hydrogen peroxide and allow it to sit for 30 minutes. Rinse. The peroxide will kill the mold and mildew, but you may still need to remove the stains they left behind. White old Proclean. If your Proclean pedestal sink has yellowed, you can brighten it by scrubbing and damped skin surface with a baking soda, then scrubbing with a sponge saturated with 3% hydrogen peroxide. Number 10. Foam away soap scum. For weekly cleaning of a fiberglass shower and tub, make a foaming paste from 1 cup baking soda, 1/4 cup with white vinegar, plus a tablespoon or 2 of hydrogen peroxide. When the bubbles subside, scrub the surface of the shower with the mix.